Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today we are making some crispy crunchy chips with lotus stem. Numerous vital vitamins are present in this lotus root. It's a fantastic source of vitamin C which raises immunity and fights viral infections in humans. As this is a root which grows under the mud, it has a lot of dirt accumulated on it. So you have to peel the skin, cut it and wash it thoroughly before making any dish. And here I am cutting this into thin slices which will give nice crispy chips. Add that into plain water, wash it thoroughly, change the water 2 to 3 times and wash it. After washing, place that on a cotton cloth and pat dry it. After drying, add the pieces into a large bowl. Now into that add some masalas like turmeric powder, red chili powder, garam masala, some chaat masala and some salt. Add some gram flour, some cornstarch and mix everything really well. Coat each pieces really well with the masalas. Sprinkle some water and mix it. Now it's ready for frying. Heat some oil in a pan. Once the oil gets heated up, add the pieces and fry it. When it changes its color and turns crispy, take it out from oil. In the same oil, fry some curry leaves and sprinkle it on top of the chips. And here it is, our crispy crunchy lotus stem fry is ready. You can sprinkle some more chaat masala on top to get that extra masala taste. So definitely try it out. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more interesting recipes from our channel. Thank you.